Survite.
There's no running, we're coming to the front lines of the war, we're summoned. This is Survite, you want some of this? We gon' introduce y'all to greatness. We bring down giants, you best believe, cause fear has no place in what we achieve. We're the friars, we ain't no thieves. Born again, victorious the moment our Christ conceived. We move mountains by faith, there's no odds and will. We were made champions before we stepped in the field, cause every time we hit the hut drill it touches the core. Brings the team side by side, engaged in war. I'm my brother's keeper, this here bond, it runs deeper. You challenge us to climb, we take the path steeper. Ask the pit crew, ain't none of us ashamed. We are Survite, yeah, and that will never change. You may be intimidated, cause we're bringing the pain. We play past the limits that the body maintains. This is our credo, believe solid as rock. No matter the tragedy, we can't be stopped. There's no running, we're coming to the front lines of the war, we're summoned. This is Survite, you want some of this? We gon' introduce y'all to greatness. There's no running, we're coming to the front lines of the war, we're summoned. This is Survite, you want some of this? We gon' introduce y'all to greatness. Though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, may God give us strength to overcome all tests. So if you see us face to face, beating our chest, it's cause the enemy's beneath us, needing a breath. You may not understand our ways, we're taught strength and honor. So when we come together, we eat like piranhas. We may be outside, but it feels like a sauna. We pile on the pressure, it may cause you trauma. You should call your mama, cause drama gets thick. Coming to Survites like cats in a brick. Yeah, we leave it all on the court, never abort. Under no conditions you break down this fort. We dominate the gridiron, the paint and the diamond. Come see us on the track field, running with sirens. If this is the jungle, then there's no point hiding, cause all of my brothers are descendants of lions. There's no running, we're coming to the front lines of the war, we're summoned. This is Survite, you want some of this? We gon' introduce y'all to greatness. There's no running, we're coming to the front lines of the war, we're summoned. This is Survite, you want some of this? We gon' introduce y'all to greatness. Strive for perfection, our strengths and numbers, cause iron sharpens iron is the truth we come from. This is a Braveheart movement, we fight for freedom. We represent Christ cause we choose to believe him. So if you hear thunder during the daylight, it's the sound of me and my brothers, don't get stage fright. Come to the village where boys become men, warriors victorious, whether we lose or win. His image is glorious, we work hard to model him. Jesus, yeah, the one who freed us from our sin. This ain't no fable, we all have proof, testifying of life in the walls we break through. We're more than athletes, more than contenders. For the rest of our life we'll never say surrender. So join the pit crew, let's do this together. Shout for Survite, champions forever. Come on!